welcome back to my channel. And I've set up just a quick kitchen scene because I found the Zuru Mini Brands Really Works Magic Cook Kitchen. This is the stand mixer, and I found it at Walmart. Can y'all believe that Walmart already got these? So I'm super excited, and I wanted to open it, and let's take a look and see what all it comes with and what it's about. So let me get this open and I'll be right back. Okay, I got it out of the packaging. There are some instructions inside the packaging to tell you how to remove this from the base that it sits in. So inside the box there is also this like instruction manual, the collector's guide, and then you get 2 packs of this slimy stuff. So let's look at the collector's guide. So there is the like fry pan and cooktop. I would really like that. There's an ice cream maker. I really don't care for that. There's a waffle maker. I'm good about that. The toaster I would like to have. I definitely think that the pasta maker would be a ton of fun. The blender, I would like that. The muffin maker, meh, I'm okay. Popcorn maker, meh, I'm okay. And there is our mixer. So on the back, it just tells you how to use it, what you get in the packaging. So step 1, you're going to raise it up, remove the bowl. Step 2, put the slime in it and put the bowl back on the base. And then you turn this to spin it. And then turn this to turn the UV light on, to turn the stuff inside to a different color. So it'll go from white to like a creamy color. Before I do that, I did want to have a look side by side with the MiniVerse one and just compare them in size. You can see that the MiniVerse is definitely larger than the Zuru, the Mini Brands one. It is wider and taller. The Mini Brands might be more on your doll scale, but the MiniVerse has the handle, you know, that you turn, which is a little bit easier than trying to spin that little dial, especially if you have nails like I do. So yeah, there is the mixer. Let me take the bowl off. And we will open a pack of this. And see. Ugh. Ew, it is slimy, 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 slimy. Like really, really, really goopy. I guess if you like slime, you would like that. I don't think I've ever really touched slime. It's kind of gross. Alright, get off of me. Is that all of it? Whoa. Okay. Put this back on the base. Okay. this in there, and it says to turn it. Okay, let's turn this light on. Let's see the UV light. It's coming all out of the bowl. Oh, well, right there in this part, you can really see where it changed colors compared to where it started, and it's already fading back down to its original color. So I'm just going to sit that there, sit the light down on it. It says, I think it said like 10 to 15 seconds or something. And if you're not turning it, then it's not gonna change the color, I guess, on all the sides. So that's why you would want to keep spinning it. And you see that part right there that was under the light, how it really changed the color. And the part underneath is still the original color. It hasn't really changed yet. So I mean, it's different. Turn the light off. It did change its color pretty well. And if you store this properly, you know, you would be able to use it again and again, which is what they advertise. So I'm just gonna put it back in its packaging, and yeah, it's cute. I like that it's pink. So check your Walmarts and see if you can find them in your local stores. Thank you so much for watching. Do me a favor, like this video, leave me a comment, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!